Oh, Asmongold and the algorithm apostles. How utterly precious. You truly believe you've cracked the socio-political Da Vinci Code on why young men are fleeing the Democratic Party, as if the answer was hidden somewhere between a rage-bait TikTok and a Jordan Peterson quote. And Democrats, bless your bureaucratic little hearts, congrats on whiffing the moment so hard you're practically lobbying for your own irrelevance. You've managed to speak so intellectually about your policies that no one under 40 knows what you're talking about. Let's unpack this circus of smug half-truths, cope-laced commentary, and earnest incompetence, shall we? First, to the Democrats and your ivory tower linguistics seminar masquerading as outreach. The idea that you paint young men as testosterone-poisoned Neanderthals with wet dreams of female subjugation isn't just inaccurate, it's laughably unstrategic. Nobody outside the faculty lounge believes you're running a war on masculinity. Your policies, from infrastructure investments in male-heavy trades to healthcare access that prevents medical bankruptcy, are objectively pro-man. But your delivery? Abysmal. You speak in sterile jargon, premium tax credits, DEI implementation metrics that inspires about as much enthusiasm as a municipal zoning meeting. You don't need a new policy, you need a translator. Try, we'll help you not be broke instead of we're optimizing equity outcomes. Maybe then you'll stop hemorrhaging working-class dudes to the GOP's cosplay patriarchy. Less TED Talk, more barstool banter, please. Now to Asmongold and his merry band of digital dads anonymous. Your critique is not much better, just louder and significantly more drenched in angst. You champion masculine spaces as if you're preserving some sacred lodge instead of a glorified Discord server where emotional vulnerability is still taboo. And let's address the immigration bogeyman you love so dearly. The Bureau of Labor Statistics would like a word. It wasn't Pedro with the leaf blower who stole your factory job. It was a robot, your CEO, and a trade agreement from 1994. Immigrants are not your enemy. They're the ones scrubbing dishes and picking produce while you complain online about being replaced. Your DEI gripes are just as flimsy. Are white men being systematically excluded from prosperity? Or are you mistaking the loss of automatic privilege for oppression? Data says the latter. And for the record, Andrew Tate is not a mentor. He's a pyramid scheme in Gucci sunglasses. Here's the punchline, kids. Both camps are failing spectacularly, just in different dialects of delusion. Democrats alienate with word vomit and moral preening, while the reactionary bros peddle recycled masculinity tropes dressed up as rebellion. Meanwhile, the actual culprits, corporate greed, stagnant wages, predatory education systems, go unpunished and unnoticed. Young men aren't fools. They're broke, burnt out, and sick of being sermonized by people who either sound like HR managers or 4chan prophets. You want their vote? Offer housing that doesn't require a cosigner and a miracle. Create jobs that pay more than instant noodles. And maybe, just maybe, talk about masculinity like it's neither a disease nor a deity. Until then, both sides are shouting into the algorithmic void. And the void? Oh, it's laughing. Harder than I am.